Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Daily Reviews. And are you tired of guessing why your equipment's not working, whether it's HVAC or any DIY project you might be tackling for the day? It's usually some capacitor has gone out, has ghosted you, and you are just tinkering and can't figure it out. Well, this here is the CapMaster 470F digital capacitor tester. This has auto ranging function, so it has a built-in ESR testing to detect that faulty capacitor, and we can cycle through. So it will take two in the back. In the back there is a screw that you have to unscrew and place two AA batteries in. I actually put in two older batteries, so you can see my battery life is a little less, but it doesn't indicate your battery life on the unit. And it does have this nice kickstand. There also is a USB mini port here too as well, where you can charge it. Right on the unit itself, on the back, there is a mini screw. You can place in two AA batteries for like a battery backup, but it is rechargeable. It does come with a micro USB cable, and that's where you would plug it in to charge it. And you do get this bright display, as we can see here. You do have an on and off button. You can go ahead and hold to power the unit off. It says thanks for using. And again, we can hit it once to power it back up. Let's see. Perfect. So one punch on the button gets it back up and running. We have our zero out button, zeroing out, please wait, open test leads. And then the last button on the right, we have our mode range selector. So up in the corner, you'll see manual, but we can cycle through to different modes. And so we can go into the auto mode. So this is probably where you'd want to leave it on auto. And you can see here now you can connect your leads, your positive and negative, to the capacitor, to a battery, and get that readout and tell you if that capacitor is still good or not. This unit will actually tell you, and taking that guesswork out. So recommend this capacitor tester. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.